Hello friends, good evening to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. So guys, today is our day 3 in DevOps English series. So Hindi series I have completed. So if you want to learn in Hindi, you can visit my Hindi DevOps playlist series. We are continuing our English series of DevOps. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Linux file system hierarchy. What we are going to discuss guys? Linux file system hierarchy, FSH. So guys, first of all, we need to understand why we are going to learn about file system hierarchy. So guys, we will use cd command. What we will use? We will use cd command. So basically we want to know that what is location and in which file and in which directory which information is storing. So when you are going to troubleshoot, so easily you can find out. That's why I need to explain Linux file system hierarchy. So guys, basically there is one slash in our Linux. That slash is known as root directory or root partition. It is similar to C drive in our Windows system. So guys, like bin directory, boot directory, dab, etc, home, lib, media, mnt, opt, svin, srb, tmp, usr, proc, all these are the what guys, these are the directory, that means folder, and these all directory are inside root partition or root directory. So you can see that this slash is what, root partition or root directory. So guys, suppose that you want to go inside this bin folder or inside this bin directory. So first of all you need to use cd command, after that slash bin. You can't give direct bin. Why? Because bin is inside slash partition or root partition or root directory. Same thing if you want to go inside boot directory. So once you go inside bin, you can't direct write boot. Why? Because boot directory is not available inside bin directory. So you need to give again slash. Why? Because this boot directory is available inside slash partition or root partition. Guys, one thing, suppose you went inside this slash and after that you are using cd command and you are writing like bin, so definitely you can go inside bin directory. Why? Because now you went or you go inside this slash partition and after that you are going inside this bin. So first you went inside this slash and after that you are going in this bin. So it is possible. Why? Because you reached in this slash or after slash you are going bin, but after going inside bin you can't go directly inside home. Suppose you are inside bin and now you want to go inside home, you can't go. Why? Because you need to define proper path. Inside slash we have home directory. So I hope this will be clear. So let's come and understand why we are learning about bin, boot and all this. So guys, inside bin directory essential user command binaries are available. Inside boot directory, boot file, static files or bootloader file of files are available. Inside dab, device information or device file like storage device, hard disk, ssd, these are the storage device. So your device information will be inside dab. After that your host related information will be stored inside slash etc. After that when you are going to create user in your Linux system, so home directories are creating and that home directories are creating inside slash home. Same after that shared libraries are storing where, inside slash lib. Removable media like pen drive and sd card, storage device card you are using, then the information of that removable media will be stored inside slash media. When you are going to mount your storage device, like you are going to create partition and after creating partition you mounted your partition with any file system or folder, so you want to check mounted file system, so you can go inside mnt. After that there are any add-on application software package like notepad, vlc, media player, mozilla firefox, these are the what, additional software. So information of that additional software will be available inside opt. After that system binaries will store inside sbin. Data for service from system. So guys, what, there are some important services which are the required for system, so that information will be stored inside srb. After that, when you are working in your system, so there are unnecessary many temporary files generating, which is the only temporary purpose. So that temporary files will be stored where inside tmp. After that, user utilities and application information will be available inside usr, and process related information like you have started any process, so that process information will be stored inside proc. So these are the guys important directories which which are useful for troubleshooting purpose when you are going to face any problem, like you have attached any storage device but that device not showing in your df-h command, so you can go inside slash dab. So such type of use case are different directories we have. So guys, this was the what file system hierarchy. Now we are going to use cd command. What we are going to use, sir? Cd command. So this is the what our Linux playground. So in this Linux playground, I want to check all these file system directories. So what I will do, first of all, cd and slash. So guys, this is the what? This is the slash. That means root partition or root directory. So you went inside root directory. After that, I am using ls command. Don't mind what is ls, I will teach you in next session. So you can see bin, dab, lib, opt, run, srb, usr, var. All these are the important files which you have learned here, right? So when you want to go inside any folder, so what you will do, sir? You need to use cd command, change directory. Like in windows, you are going from one folder to another folder, so what you are doing, you are double clicking. Same thing in linux. If you want to go from one folder to another folder, so you will use cd command. So suppose that I said you want to go where inside home, so you will write slash home. Why? Because your home directory is available inside slash partition slash directory. So you entered, now you can see you are inside home. But now I said I want to go inside home, so this will not go. Why? Because your etc is where inside slash, so you have to go proper slash, right? So I hope this will be clear. Guys, suppose that after inside etc directory, there are also lots of directories. So I said suppose that you want to go inside opt. Okay, so cd and opt, there is no requirement of slash. Why? Because you went first inside this etc. Where is etc? This. So first you went inside etc. After inside etc, there is available what? opt. So that's why there is no requirement of this slash. Why? Because your opt is inside etc, not inside slash. Second thing, sir, why you are using this slash? Guys, this slash is the optional in the case of command line, but if you are using your scripting, then it is mandatory when you are defining directory. Okay. Second thing, this slash first, not before name of directory, after name of directory, this slash is denoting that you are using or you are defining second directory or second file. Okay. So first of all, I went inside opt. Now you want to come back. What you want, sir? You want to come back, so you will write cd dot dot. So you will come back one step back. You can see where you came, you return inside your etc. So this is the way. Now guys, if you will write cd command and enter directly, so you will come inside home directory of our users. What you will do, you will back in your home directory. So this is the home directory of our user, right? So I hope this will be clear for you. Second thing, suppose that here are direct no directory. So what I'm doing, I will create, don't mind how I am creating. So I am creating vivek. Okay, inside vivek I am creating roshni. So guys, now you can see I have this vivek and inside vivek roshni. So once you will write vivek and after vivek inside you want to go roshni. So guys, this slash is what doing, it is separating that vivek is different folder, roshni is different folder. So inside vivek folder we are going inside roshni. So I will write and enter, then we are inside roshni folder which is available inside Vivek folder, and Vivek folder is where inside root folder, root directory. So I hope that this will be clear for you. So guys, we will meet on next video. Next video will be about ls command. So let's meet on a video. Like, share, subscribe my video. Thank you to all of you.